No budget for adequate staff. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar laments government is unable to fill up adequate medical staff due to budget constraints. Good news for farmers. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian assures farmers there will be no scarcity of fertilizers in 2019. Initiative for Abundant Fishes, head of KVK Bishnupur, Dr. R.K. Motomba says KVK Bishnupur is first ever district to station a fish feed making machine. New Year's gift. Congress MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan urges government to release Kishore Chand Wangkhim Cha as a New Year's gift for Kishore Chand's family. And Happy New Year ahead. Governor, Chief Ministers, Ministers and other wish people of Manipur a very happy, peaceful, prosperous and joyous New Year 2019. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjum bringing you the top stories. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar has lamented that the government is unable to fill up adequate medical staff in health centers across the state due to budget constraints. He was speaking at the launch of MSc Nursing course in the auditorium of College of Nursing at Medical Directorate, Lumphel today. He maintained that the government acknowledges the plights facing people due to lack of adequate doctors, nurses and other medical staff in health centers of the state, especially in the interior areas. However, the government is unable to overcome the shortcomings due to financial constraints. The health minister hoped to increase the number of trainees pursuing the MSc Nursing course next year.
Just to start with, meter campaign I was in the Pagiman Bay, do meter I was a mission, I was a Masi Tumba and Hogan I was it is not a job. Pagina things. Now the emission is more to be contributor, reporting the smooth yam, but half-time.
Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian has assured that there will be no scarcity of fertilizers in the state in 2019. He was speaking in the department's 2019 calendar releasing ceremony in his secretariat office in Babupara today. Minister V. Hankalian stated that meetings were convened to address the issues facing farmers of the state with regards to scarcity of fertilizers. He said the meetings resolved to stock up fertilizers ahead of monsoon and that the Chief Minister has approved to keep aside budget for the same. The Agriculture Minister stated that Rabi campaign was launched in the state under the initiative of Chief Minister and Biren to boost farmers' income. He mentioned that crops cultivated by farmers on a buyback policy will be utilized as raw materials in the soon-to-be set-up fish mill of the Fisheries Department. Hankalian assured that Manipur will be self-sufficient in fish products in the near future. Agriculture Director P.H. Rajendra and top officials of the department were also present on the occasion. Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawjam Shyamkumar also released 2019 calendar of the Forest and Environment Department today. Speaking on the occasion at his office in Babupara, Minister Shyamkumar urged everyone to preserve and protect the environment. Additional Chief Secretary of Forest Dr. Suhail Akhtar, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and other top officials of the department were present on the occasion. The 15-day-long Swachhta Pakhwara program organized by Krishi Vigyan Kendra Bishnupur concluded today. The program was held under the aegis of Agriculture Technology Application Research Institute, Atari Zone 7 and ICAR Research Complex, Umiam, Meghalaya. Speaking in the valedictory event, Principal Scientist and Head of KVK Bishnupur, Dr. R.K. Motomba announced that KVK Bishnupur is the first ever district in the state to station a fish feed making machine. He believed that the machine will with the capacity to produce 20,000 metric tons of fish food, will help in reducing expenses of the government spent on importing fish feed.
Manipur gi oina ihan hanna nga gi machinjak sungnanaba akoi feed making machine nama akoi chaliba January thasida akoi install tongnaba haidana honajari koida thengnagadauba khudong chadaba amadi koi Manipur da raw material si leitaba adana akoi mayamna di hai chujak thai hai akoina thariba chujak sidi chujak kabok poknaba chujak phobok konade adana akoina ahanba chahi gi oina koi raw material si mapandagi launanaba akoi contact loijare.
Congress MLA Kumukcham Joykishan has urged the BJP government to release Kishore Chand Wangkhemcha as a New Year gift to Kishore Chand's family. He said, if the government releases Kishore Chand, generations will remember BJP government as a sensible and caring government. The Congress MLA wished everyone in the state a very happy New Year 2019. He wished that the New Year will bring love, peace, prosperity and harmony among inhabitants of the hills and the valley. Kumukcham Joykishan also wished that the BJP-led state government will work for public welfare in the coming New Year. On the other hand, the Congress MLA expressed discontentment at the failure of the State Police Department to book vehicle thefts despite evidence captured by CCTVs installed at various places in Imphal city. He suspected that a gang involved in lifting vehicles with the capability to influence the government might be in the operation in the state. MLA Joykishan expressed disappointment that the State Police Department, which is capable enough to book culprits of other crimes like bombing in Imphal city, is less than a week are unable to nab vehicle thefts. Joykishan demanded the state government to utilize its intelligence resources to deal with real issues concerning the public instead of wasting the resources in tracking those who criticize the government on social media.
Wangkhemcha Kishore Chandrabu Lairiba Sarkar asina anauba sahi lakpada magi imung manung magi loinabi amasung magi pikliba macha anida anauba sahi gi khudol tambirabgadi sarkar asi afaba laingakni miyamgi tamukta khanba laingakni haidun soidana logani lairiba laingang asina gari huran basingda yasel changdi basi kari gi no haibase masi ayakna lainga asida hangba achowa hang yamna achowa khutpu mana government se influence to bangam khutpu bana gari huran basingge support to raina singna da bangam de adugo 2019 dagi di social media da irak pasingdo madu apha apun to bagi mahuta gari huran basing oina phagat paduna hen aphabo oigani opposition jab jaba support to gani ha.
Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit is all set to submit a memorandum containing demands for various development and welfare projects of the state to Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his state visit on January 4th. The party also wished people of the state harmony and prosperity with the advent of the new year. Speaking to media at the party office in Babupara today, Party President M. Tombi disclosed that the proposed memorandum includes demand for resurvey of Manipur's territory based on the territory that existed before its merger with the Indian Union, not to let the Indo-Naga Framework Agreement compromise with the territorial integrity of Manipur, and to deploy National Highway Protection Force, among others.
Prime Minister na karigumba Manipur da lakpiba matamda Shiv Sena na pijagadru memorandum se masipi na nabukidamukta mari leinaba akhoi gi vibhag singna unana nabi tanjadu pigane habagi pibigane habi tanjaduma Shiv Sena gi magai de thamjare Manipur na India da tension khiba adugi maduda akhoi gi punsan gi badu da yaukhiba akhoi lamkhai do ri survey tobiu haiba akhoi gi ahan budimani hujik saka se akhoi na pumna yengjabada masi koi development lei haina lojagani sahi ani mapung bharak pu sahi da hujik koi tha hum mari ban blockade toba leitre fake encounter ki 99% madu akoi mamang da leramba fake encounters ki pot se 99% leitre.
Peace and Development Committee Kundrakpam constituency has nullified the claim of MLA Kundrakpam, who recently stated on media that The BJP government restricted entry of the local MLA, Zilla Parishad Pradhan and members during go-to-village mission programs in the constituency. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, General Secretary of the committee, Tej Hemje, termed it very unfortunate that the local MLA has alleged the BJP government, which is working for development and welfare of all the sections of the society, of such demeaning act.
Ano lenga asina kendra sida chai ama makhai sida tielaba matam sida mamangi chai 35 da tawramdraba thabak thoram mayam ama hojik mi lising ani matakta thabak masan masaw thak pijadana ano lenga asina miyeng changbidana kendra si pungon won ba kendra ma oiraglabani ekhaloliba thabak thoram sing asi lan ohonaba miyam da lan prachar tawriba matam punamakta oidaba tangangba adugumlaba khunrakun kendra gi MLA lokesor PDCC gi maike degi matam punta oidaba ngangbu haina bido thadok piro kendra sida ano lenga asina tawrokliba thabak sing asi yekai tinga bibai thabak tokpiro thangyon esida ACC की MLA जो किशन मसामक थोरक्तना अनोब लेंगा गसिन तरुल गोतो विलेज को सपोर्ट तौदना यावखिबा दुगुमना यावगिरलगा अनोब सरकार से सपोर्ट तौबियो.
BJP Kundrakpa Mandal has clarified that the BJP government has no biased attitude in taking up developmental works. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, President of the Mandal, S.H. Nando, termed the recent statement made by MLA Kundrakpa on media as baseless.
राजनीति की खेने बतंदना ngasi फावदा BJP na lit tobaga melachina khunrapum kendra da opposition lojaragasu kendra humpugi manungda ruling usung opposition wapum natana kendra humpu da pakaliba development government nachina thadaragliba chakho thorang chingasi kendra humpugi manungda khunrapum kendra da pakaliba thorang chingasi hojik opposition ni hana masana kana ningamdaba amasung miyam da lan unu bhona riba asinglo MLA na munna yengna ulijingla sing chatna हेना अफबा अदुगुलबा वखल अदु मियाम द थंबम तोय मसिगे ओन तेनबदा कुंद्रापुम केंद्रदा लेरिबा प्रजासिंग हाइबदि राजनीतिदा थोइदोक हेंदोना बमुताना खंगबा कनाना करी तौरगे खंगबा केंद्र की प्रजासिंगदा नमथाक अमसुंग ओइदबा सिनदुना केंद्र की प्रजासिंगदा हाइबदि सरू लंगसंदना नुसिनदनम की थक्सिन चथरपासि मसे कोइना याना पेंदे.
Construction of the cargo terminal building of the integrated checkpost ICP at Indo-Myanmar border, expected to be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his state visit on January 4th, is yet to be completed. Once inaugurated, the cargo terminal building will become a hub for trade and commerce with Southeast Asian countries. It may be mentioned that various departments of the passenger terminal building still lack adequate infrastructure. Moreh Police Commando seized narcotic drugs worth over 1 crore rupees in the year 2018 from Indo-Myanmar border town of Moreh. Speaking to media, DSP of Moreh Police Commando, Thomas Tokchom, said Moreh Commando seized 7,114 WY tablets, 685.6 grams of heroin powder and 3,840 alprazolam tablets, altogether worth around 1 crore 67 lakh and 37,000 rupees. He also said 18 illegal immigrants, including 5 individuals involved in human trafficking cases, were apprehended in 2018. DSP Thomas Tokchom wished that 2019 will usher in peace and appealed to everyone to cooperate in making Moreh into a drugs-free town. Cordon and search operations continue as a part of security measures ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's arrival on January 4th. A team of Imphal West Commando under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Imphal West Police T.H. Krishna Tombi conducted cordon and search operations in various places of Imphal West since early this morning. Around 117 individuals were verified and 11 individuals without proper identification proofs were picked up during the drive at Major Khul Gate held from 7:50 to 8:10 a.m. While around 97 individuals were verified and 7 individuals without proper identification documents were picked up during the drive held at Shanghai Continental conducted from 8:15 to 8:30 a.m. On that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the closing ceremony of the 79th Nupilal Celebration Month. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. The 79th Nupilal Celebration Month, organized by Nupilal Memorial Association since December 1st, concluded at Nupilal Memorial Complex today. Speaking on the sidelines, Publicity Secretary of Steering Committee of the Association, Peter Longjam, condemned the inclusion of plays on Nupilal apart from the one written by renowned writer Longjamba Mitai Netaji during the recent state-level Nupilal Memorial event. He appealed not to avoid the same in the coming year. Singing competition on patriotic songs in praise of Nupilal was held, and floral tributes were also paid at the portraits of the brave mothers who took active roles in the Nupilal of 1939, 1940 and 1941 on the occasion.
Sahi lisang sina sanara aga laaba adugum laba Nupilal gi drama se asigi script asi kana no habese masi ekoi government na piba order dadi Longjamba Mitai Netaji ni habese masi leire adubu state function asida joint artist perform taunabagi damakta haina hairaga script na Longjamba Mitai Netaji haidabida drama sibu tambiri ba director masana script ani ni amana dore luwang ni amana Longjamba Mitai Netaji ni ana habese pilagi member sing amaji akhoi thopubiri ba ima sing na yam thamoi chokna khoi nungai jade.
Managing Director of RK Fortune Developers Private Limited in Taubungkok, RK Rameshwar distributed free LPG connection to 53 beneficiaries of Patsoi constituency under Ujjwala scheme today. Speaking on the sidelines, RK Rameshwar said he took the initiative to distribute the gas connection as people in the constituency are mostly deprived of various welfare programs of the government due to ignorance and lack of guidance.
Labour government ki fazarba scheme asi ai lamdam se labour praja sing gi moi gi documentation singba aina kitang help tawza tawraga khoi gi Indian government gi fazarba scheme khoi leita laira singda phangba ba gas ki phangnar bagi lambi asi praja sing di yamne aware obin tamina aina madu scheme si samjan miraga khoi paso Indian ga khusam daraga government gi labour scheme asi public di hona ba khara chenja jongjabani labour government gi fazarba scheme asi ai gi
Churchan Higher Secondary School, Imphal held its 90th Annual Foundation Day celebration at the school campus in Sanjinthong today. A special cover of the school issued by the Chief Postmaster General, Northeast Circle, Shillong, the first of its kind in Manipur, was released in the event held in collaboration with the Postal Department. Principal of CC Higher Secondary School, S. Indrani, intimated that a special cover was released in honor of the school's alumni and former teachers. An organization to organize the 4th state-level Tongbram Robindro Memorial Sport Painting Competition at Sagol Bandera, Over 300 students from class nursery to 8 participated in the competition held in 3 categories. Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla has conveyed her heartiest greetings to the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Happy New Year 2019. She wished for the new year to usher in violence-free, peaceful coexistence in the state. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren has extended his heartiest greetings to the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Happy New Year 2019. In his message, the Chief Minister said, New Year's Day is not only an occasion for introspection, but also for searching and involving new resolutions for the coming year. He called on everyone to resolve to consolidate further and support the forces of solidarity and harmony for a better and stronger Manipur. He wished for the new year to usher in peace, prosperity, happiness in the state, revitalize the energy and spirit to commitment towards success in all endeavors of making Manipur the most developed state in the country.
Anubu sahina lakpashida mamangi sahida गे हौदे हौराबा अखोइना तौगेना खनबा तौबा हौराबा अदुगा हौबा ngamdaba पोषक मयाम अमा प्रजा की दमकता नियाम की दमकता मधु अखोइ लाकदब चही सिदा मपुंग फाना पांगथोकपा ngamba oijage haidana Manipur gi miyamda ai nijari singamari tam haiba khaidana minority amadi majority haiba khaidana khoi miyoiba haiba humanity haiba madu kakta khoi pullaga amatoina Manipur gi apunbun saktam nga aga kallaga khoi punna leimina si haidana appeal si tawjari.
Social Welfare Minister Neem Chakibgan has extended her heartiest greetings to the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Happy New Year 2019. In her message, the minister said she warmly welcomes the new year and wishes for fulfillment of one's desire. She called on everyone for communal harmony and peaceful coexistence. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit has also sent his heartiest New Year's greetings to the people of the state. BJP Manipur Pradesh and Manipur Pradesh Trinamool Congress Committee in a separate press releases wished people of the state a very happy New Year 2019. Before we conclude the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. No budget for adequate staff. Health Minister L. Jentakumar laments government is unable to fill up adequate medical staff due to budget constraints. Good news for farmers. Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian assures farmers there will be no scarcity of fertilizers in 2019. Initiative for Abundant Fishes, Hat of KVK Bishnupur, Dr. R.K. Imotomba says KVK Bishnupur is first ever district to station a fish feed making machine. New Year's gift. Congress MLA Kumungchum Joy Kishan urges government to release Kishore Chand Wangkim Cha as a New Year's gift for Kishore Chand's family. And happy year ahead, Governor, Chief Minister, ministers and other wish people of Manipur a very happy, peaceful, prosperous and joyous New Year 2019.